once again.
Here we're going to look at this Volvo S60. There's no reverse lights working and no parking sensors. I'm going to lift off the engine cover. I'm going to take out the airbox, 7mm screwdriver here. I'm going to use a pick to get this plug out. Move our pipe. Give this a lift up. We're going to look on top of the gearbox. You usually got a reverse switch, reverse light switch somewhere. You'll see it. It should be around this area of the gearbox with a wire on it. Have a look around. This could be it. I'm going to take off this pipe to get it out the way. Again, we can use our 7mm screwdriver here for the Jubilee clip, 7mm hex. Take that off. We can get a look at inside as well and have a look at that. Needs cleaning. A lot of carbon in there. So get this pipe over here out the way, and look what we have here. No doubt that is definitely you can see the way that's been chewed. It's definitely rodents in the car. If you look over here, there's more signs of it. Been chewing on the wires. It's getting quite common now, we're seeing this. I've had like 4 or 5 cars in the past few weeks. I've had rodent damage to the wiring. So we're going to strip this down and see if we can get these rejoined and see if we can get it working again. So here we've joined these wires and we'll put some heat shrink over it. I'm just going to pull that over the wire there. Get some heat on it. Now that's all done, we can plug it back in. There you go, we've got reverse lights. All done.